We have a CEO today, Rohan with us. Let's see what he has to say with the list of questions that we have. Rohan, what was your ambition as a kid?
My ambition was to actually make a lot of money as a kid. I wanted to be rich. I liked all the good things in life.
How was your childhood like?
Childhood, as born and brought up in Bangalore, pretty fat kid, right? Then went into fitness, and then here I am.
Since you were talking about fitness, were you into any sports?
I always admired sports. I'm a big fan, right? I've always liked sports people in general. I do watch and but I've never personally actually been into actually any kind of sport. I was into weightlifting and all that.
Super.
Right? Yeah.
Which is your favorite sport if I can
Football.
ask? Football.
Yeah.
Any favorite celebrity?
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Ronaldo.
Yeah.
If I can ask why?
I mean, his physique, man.
His physique.
Yeah.
That's what inspired you to get
I mean,
into
of
fitness.
course.
Did you enjoy being a kid?
I wouldn't say enjoy being a kid. I mean, it was just a normal life. Born and brought up with a pretty middle class family. With my mom and brother. I lost my dad when I was just like 7 years old. I spent my time in hostel, right? So we went through a lot of shit.
What made your parents put you into a hostel?
I mean, we didn't have any other choice. My mom was all alone, so she wanted to actually work, and she went abroad. And me and my brother were actually put into a hostel, so she could actually earn for us and take care. Yeah.
That's nice of her.
Yeah.
If I can ask, what were your best moments of your childhood?
I mean, school days was actually really cool, I would say. I didn't learn anything. I mean, not much, right? There was nobody to actually kind of mentor or something, nobody to guide. You just take as the day actually comes. After that, then there was actually college where I grew up, you have that brief of having a stint with girlfriends and all that. And after that, it was my engineering, pretty good friends and, a pretty good experience over there also. So at each stage, there are different moments which you actually cherish. Yeah. So, yeah.
As a kid, I think you would have been fascinated to some kind of automotive stuff, right? Were you a person who were always into automotives, or is it now that because of
No, I was actually, right? I always liked cars and motorcycles all the time from the very beginning. I used to actually, run and see if there was a bike which actually passed by. That's what actually really got me into this, right?
Do you also have any favorites in cars and bikes?
Yeah, I mean, favorite car would be the Lamborghini Aventador actually. Yeah. And then for the bike, the Honda CBR, the 5-liter.
What makes you choose the best one for yourself?
You mean the bike?
Bike and the car?
Just the sound, the way how it looks, right? I've always admired it.
What was your life like before Talk Block started?
Pretty average life, I would say. Nothing interesting. I spent a lot of time abroad as well.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I was about 5 years over there in UAE and Qatar. Went through a lot of shit over there as well, right? Doing stupid mistakes.
Did you realize from your mistakes?
Of course. I mean, that's what is actually wherever we are, from all the mistakes or whatever we made, yeah.
Nice. What made you choose Qatar as a place to go and work?
I always wanted to just go outside of India to just see how it is, make some money, support my family, things like that. So I got an opportunity when I was in actually Bangalore.
Nice.
So I just took that opportunity and went.
What inspired you to start Talk Block?
Again, entrepreneurship is something what I really want to do. I still enjoy it. This is what it is. I don't have anything else, right? The business is what I have, eat, sleep, and go back again and repeat every day.
Do you call any member of your team as the stress bursting person for you?
No, I mean nothing like that.
Or any funny guy who is
I really
enjoy
love my
talking
guys,
to?
almost all the guys. I really have a good time. I really have fun with all the guys, I mean, there's nothing like stress busting,
What's your mantra to handle the overall stress in the company?
There's no stress as such. This is the game, right? I mean, this is what I'm actually meant to do, right? This is my choice. So I take it in a very positive way, do my best, right? So whenever there are certain setbacks in the company, what I tell my guys is to just work even more harder, right? And we'll just eventually actually overcome. That's all. During the course of 4-5 years, there are a lot of setbacks happening every day. I just tell myself I wake up early, go back to bed later. That particular day, if it's actually really stressful, the next day again you're back at it, and it just happens.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I can outwork anybody in my team, like all 365 days.
Superb.
Yeah.
Can I know your day-to-day habits, like from the start of the day till the night? Like, what do you do? What do you keep yourself? How do you keep yourself motivated?
I wake
throughout the
up. I wake up 6:30. Like immediately on to work. I take my phone and do all the things which is actually necessary. Get in a brief workout done. Back to work, right? And till I go to sleep, it's just work.
What is the vision that you have set for the company to reach that?
Vision, that's the vision, bro. Like that's the goal, right? Like we want to actually probably be like $100 billion company, right?
Super.
We want to actually probably employ say 50,000, 100,000 people, right? We are about 30 people employed, right? I mean, when I actually started, I never knew like all this was actually possible. Let's see how it goes.
Super. That's it for today. Thank you so much.
Hey,
It was
thanks,
really
bro.
super insightful. Wishing you all the best
Thank
to
you
reach
guys.
all your
Thank you,
visions
thank you,
and
thank
achievements.
you. Hey, what's up guys? This is Rohan again from Talk Vlog. I'm just gonna tell you and share a few tips on how to basically sell and probably make more money and increase the business overall.